what anyone does, never panic. See that? Don't panic. Back off the throttle. That's where we utilize engine braking. Just let the bike slow down. Let's go through the rules. What's rule number 1? Never panic. Never panic. No matter what anyone does, never panic. See that? Don't panic. Back off the throttle. That's where we utilize engine braking. Just let the bike slow down. We don't touch the brakes. Do not touch the brakes because we don't want to panic, especially if we see he's going to clear before we get there. If it was a different situation, then yeah, we touch the brakes, but in that we stay calm. Rule number 1, never panic. And that's why we have that rule, so that way we can just stay safe and just go on about our business. What's rule number 2? Ride your own ride, right? If you're riding with somebody, or you see people riding, or you're thinking about trying to impress yourself, don't do it. Just, you know, be cool, baby. Be cool. There's no need to try and impress anybody out here, man. You rode to enjoy yourself, not to never ride again, okay? So ride your own ride, be smart, be safe. Rule number 3, space is safety. Where possible, always move to space. And if you don't have space, drive more safely, okay? Those are the 3 rules. And then as always, ARM, assess, respond, move on. Read the room, read the situation, assess, respond, move on. Respond doesn't mean do something. Respond means make a decision, go with it, trust your gut. On a bike, the most important thing you can do is trusting your gut. If you think that's a dumb idea, don't do it. Just trust it. If your ego is speaking, that is not trust. That is hope. Listen to trust. Trust what you know to be true. If you're like, this is not a good decision, don't do it. Because the only bad ride is the one that makes it so you can't get to your next one. So be smart. Don't be dumb.